Hey guys, so we are back for another morning of school lunches, and we're gonna try to get Brandon to go to school today because it is picture day. So we're doing bento kids boxes today. We got two identical boxes. This is still part of the mommy and me lunches. So Brandon has the blue one and I have the green one. What are you bringing? Or what are we bringing, Brandon? Huh?
So like, we both had cereal, we both had the waffles, we both had potato, we both had wheat, we both had beaten.
Mm-hmm.
But this download is not the same. There was an orange, there was a boy and dollar.
Exactly. So we have the same lunch, and it's kind of a lot of food, but it was just easier to split this way. So whatever he doesn't finish, he usually eats at home. But we do have some mini waffles. I have syrup in this cup instead. I was thinking of putting it in here, but it's pretty small to dip. So I'm going to put it in here, and then I have a lid that we're going to cover up.
It doesn't do anywhere.
Yeah, so it doesn't go anywhere. You're right. I got a hash brown that I cut into 4 pieces, and grapes, and then this is turkey bacon that I also cut into small pieces to fit the bento. And I have berries because I like berries, and he likes oranges, so we have a little change there. But besides that, the meal is pretty much the same. We'll go ahead and see. It is a lot of food, but we'll see what happens at the end of the day. And then we also have,
It's not the same.
he has his water.
Not the same.
Yeah, it's not the same. That's the only difference. And then I have my Hydro Flask water today. All right, so that's what we're bringing, and we will check in hopefully later today. Hopefully he feels well enough that he can finish the whole day of school.
Dad, if you find the difference between our lunches.
All right, he wants to see if you find the difference between our lunches, even though we said it multiple times already. Okay, have a monster-ific day.
Bye.
Okay, everyone, so we are back from school. So we have his bento kids here, and this morning we had breakfast for lunch. So we had mini waffles. There were 4 pieces. He has 3 pieces left. He did not close the lid of the syrup again. So that is a problem because then, look, we got all this we got all this stickiness here going on. But luckily, the bento kids is sealed off really well, so it didn't leak anywhere outside of the container. So that is a good and a plus. So we have one of the 4 pieces of waffle left that he didn't finish. He ate, I think, maybe 1 or 2 pieces of the turkey bacon. The grapes are still here. He finished all of the hash brown, and I think maybe he had 1 orange. Did you run out of time? Or did you not like it?
I went out of time.
You ran out of time, but was it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so he's probably going to eat it now while I'm making dinner. But anyways, I actually took mine to work. I did forget. It was a mommy and me lunch, and I took mine to work, and I thought it was so good. I loved it. I would definitely make it again for myself because it was a nice box that I could kind of pick at while I was working today, and I was able to finish mine and felt really full with it. So I would definitely make it again for myself. I think Brandon would like it for himself too. Okay, what was your favorite part, Brandon?
The waffles and the syrup.
The waffles and the syrup. Okay, so we still have 1 waffle left. So I think he's going to eat that, and we'll make it again some other time. All right? Have a monster-ific day.
How about we make it again tomorrow?
Tomorrow, we will not make it again tomorrow. We like to try to change it up, right, guys? So, we can make it again another day. I like to try to change everything up every now and then. But we know this is one of the favorites, so we'll go ahead and add that to the favorite list. Okay? All right. Have a monster-ific day. Bye.
Bye.